going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have another unboxing video. Today we have the smaller Anker Prime power bank. I decided to get a second one just because why not have both? This is going to be the 100-watt version with the same smart display. So it's just going to be the smaller version of what I had unboxed previously with the bigger version, which had, of course, the 250-watt maximum output. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this guy open here, shall we? Best way to do this is probably going to be to cut the tape on the top and the bottom here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, that is the top cut. Now let's get the bottom. Perfect, and then just like that, tape is now cut, so now we should be able to open this guy up. Alright, and then in here we have our actual power bank, still a pretty chunky one. And then I'll go ahead and get into here. So in here we of course also have a carrying case for this guy. And then underneath all of this, we have its very own charging cable, as well as the instructions. This will be just your typical type C to C cable, it looks like. It's going to have 140 watts max as far as its output goes. And then you can go ahead and put all of this back together. And we can have a nice look at the actual bank. So this, of course, is that same carrying case that the other one had come with. And then let's go ahead and open this up here. Open that from the wrong direction, but that's okay. Alright, and then as we can see, this is a very, very similar structure to the other one, which just by comparison, this is the other one. I'm going to go ahead and get that as well. So this is a bit of a comparison here. So this, of course, is the larger one. This is the 250-watt one, whereas this is the 100-watt one. And then, judging by it not turning on, it looks like it does have to be charged, whereas, of course, this one does turn on since it was already charged, since I did charge it there. But this is going to be the end of this unboxing, so if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.